Hello, this is Latest App and welcome to another video. Today we are going to play on a 3DS. Today we are going to play on Animal Crossing. So first I'm going to get it into a view where you can see it. So let me play. So there. So I'm Latest App and this is my video. It's quite early in the morning now. So here is the peach tree, so I've had help from my friends to do this. Here's my person, and here's my pathway, what I started to build. And then I'm going to do you a house tour. So here is my train set, a board, so it goes star, a Lily recording player and drums, a amp, a guitar. Then there's also a machine that gives you stuff. I've got a boomerang on the wall, a bubbly clock, a sword that rises. Also, I've got a picture of the bunny rabbit from Animal Crossing. And so there's the bunny rabbit, and above that is the Mona Lisa. Next to the bunny rabbit is a mushroom, and it even makes a sound. And then there's a fish, a zebra turkey fish, I think it is. And I've got some machine things. I've also got my backwards cap on the table. Now to show you upstairs. So I'll show you upstairs. So here is my fan, a wetsuit, a guitar, my fire thing, a cool checkered background, what I designed, a monkey picture as well I designed, a cot closet, a bed, the light up, Eiffel Tower, so I can turn that off and on. Same with the fan. And then there we have a comic stand. So my name's been Latest App and thank you for watching. Bye bye.